Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Norbert and today we're going to be talking about find view by ID. You know the one you always use when you're making an app and you want to reference a widget or a view. Well, it turns out that might not be the absolute best way to do things. Let me explain. Okay, so here we are in Android Studio. This is just a bare bones app that I created using the empty activity template. I have gone ahead and given the default text view, the one that says hello world, an ID. Now if I wanted to reference this in my Kotlin code, by the way, this is a Kotlin tutorial. If you want to see the Java one and or the fragment in Kotlin and Java, click in the top right hand corner of this video and you'll see the companion videos to this one. Okay, so if I wanted to reference that text view, what I normally do is create a late init var and give it the name text view of type text view, and then inside my onCreate method, give that a bit of space. Inside my onCreate method, I would say hello text view equals find view by ID r.id dot hello underscore text, which is the name of the text view. And then from here I can do the usual stuff. Hello text view dot text equals to not hello world, and you'd be able to run it and it will work fine. But say you have more than just one text view, which is quite often the case. Say for example you have a page that looks like this. You've got multiple text views, you've got all sorts of different widgets, even custom views. How would you reference them all? This would not only somewhat impact your performance, but it's also a real pain to write find view by ID repeatedly. What you do instead is use what we call view binding, which is not data binding. That's a whole different video, but view binding. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all this code and remove my reference to the text view. Then in my build.gradle file, inside the Android curly braces, so anywhere inside this, you'd be fine putting it. I'd go ahead and say build features, and then I say view binding equals true, and then I sync the project. And once that is done, I then come back to my main activity.java, and inside here, what happens with that is that each time a layout file is created, a bindings class is also generated for that accompanying layout. So what we're going to do is we are going to reference that file here. So I'm going to create a private late init var, and I'm going to call it binding, and it's going to be of type activity main binding. All right, that's done. Now inside my onCreate method, instead of using the usual set content view and then referencing my layout file using the r.layout inside set content view, I'm going to reference my binding object instead. So I'm going to say binding equals activity main binding dot inflate layout inflator. And next I'm going to create a val, I'm going to call it view, and then I'm going to make it equal to binding.root. And then inside my set content view, I am going to set my view as the content view. Once that is done, now I can reference whatever views I have in my layout using this tag. So I'm going to create a val, and I'm going to call it hello text view, and it is going to be equal to binding dot hello text. So this object hello text is this name hello text is gotten from this hello text ID in my layout. And with this, I can go ahead and use my hello text view to do the usual stuff. So hello text view dot text, and then do the same thing we did earlier on, which is not hello world. So there you go. That's how you use view binding to reference your views in your project code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss when I post a new video. If you're looking for the Java version or fragment in Kotlin or fragment in Java version of how to use view binding, click on one of the pop-ups on the screen or check the description down below to get those videos. And I'll see you on Friday.